Hearts on fire tonight, no wrong or right, running through the night, underneath the starlight.
The Supreme Court has denied former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque's request for protection against the contempt order and arrest warrant issued against him by House lawmakers investigating his possible involvement in the illegal activities of Internet gaming licensees IGL or Philippine offshore gaming operators POGO. Supreme Court spokesperson Camille Ting said on Tuesday that the High Tribunal en banc ruled that a writ of amparo was limited to extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances, or threats thereof, which were not present in this case. But while denying Roque's prayer for a writ of amparo, the High Court required the House Quad Committee conducting the IGL investigation to comment within 10 days on his petition for prohibition. The former presidential spokesperson of former President Rodrigo Duterte had asked the court to stop the Quad Committee from arresting him, requiring him to attend future hearings, and producing documents related to his business dealings and personal assets. Roque is being sought by authorities after the Quad Committee cited him for contempt last month and ordered his detention for failing to comply with its order for him to submit subpoenaed documents crucial to the probe of POGOs, including his tax records and statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth. Overwhelming proof. This was after the panel said it found overwhelming circumstantial evidence linking him to Lucky South 99, a POGO hub located in Porac, Pampanga, that was raided by authorities in June for human trafficking activities. In a 66-page petition filed by his daughter on September 23, Roque's camp alleged that the House lawmakers committed grave abuse of discretion in exercising their legislative powers in an abusive manner, usurping the investigative powers reserved for the executive branch and the adjudicative powers reserved for the judicial branch of government. Named respondents in the case were the members of the House panel composed of the Committees on Dangerous Drugs chaired by Representative Robert Ace Barbers, Human Rights chaired by Representative Bienvenido Abante Jr., Public Accounts chaired by Representative Joseph Paduano, and Public Order and Safety chaired by Representative Dan Fernandez. According to the petition, the private affairs of the Roque family, including their income tax returns, have nothing to do with the legislative inquiry being conducted. Fishing expedition. Unless its members can specify the particular information or document that would directly link the aggrieved party to IGLs or POGOs, this fishing expedition must be stopped because all it will produce is information that is irrelevant and immaterial to the inquiry that they are conducting, it said. In addition to his request for a writ of amparo, Roque also sought the extraordinary writs of certiorari, asserting that the Quad Committee acted with grave abuse of discretion, and a writ of prohibition preventing its members from requiring him to produce any additional documents or attend any future hearings or meetings. The petition also included a motion for a temporary protection order and a production order to stop lawmakers from enforcing the warrant of arrest issued against him. On September 24, a lawyer who also served under the Duterte administration asked the Supreme Court to disbar Roque.